Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase. We click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Coinbase and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your